Did you know that organic waste is anything made from plants or animals, including food waste and yard waste? Did you know that recycling organic materials is not only good for the planet, it's also the law? Every bit of organic material we can keep out of our landfills helps reduce harmful gases from being released into our environment. In 2022, state and local laws will require all households, including residents of apartments and homeowners associations, to recycle their organic waste. In 2019, the city of Laguna Niguel began collecting food waste from residential homes. Since then, single-family residents have been able to put their food waste in the same collection container as their yard waste. This is called your organics cart, and it gets picked up by the city's trash and recycling company, CR&R Environmental Services. Residents of apartments and homeowners associations with centralized trash service must also participate in this program. From your yard, single-family homes can recycle yard waste, such as grass clippings, leaves, branches, and wood waste. From the kitchen, all residents can recycle anything that is food waste, such as fruit and vegetable trimmings, eggshells, tea bags and coffee grounds, leftover food, rotten food, meat, bread, and even food-soiled paper, such as napkins and paper towels. CR&R previously provided each household with a kitchen pail to collect your food waste. If you need a new pail, please call CR&R and they will deliver a new one to your home for a small fee. When your pail is full, empty it in your green organics cart outside. You can use your kitchen pail as is, or you can line it with a thin layer of newspaper, paper bags, paper towels or napkins, or a certified compostable bag. Look for this logo on the box. Non-biodegradable plastic bags, such as grocery bags, are not permitted. Please note, although pet waste and kitty litter are organic materials, they must go into the trash. All other non-organic items are not accepted in this program, including plastic food wrap, cigarette butts or ashes, styrofoam, diapers, or any bathroom waste. Just keep using your green cart for yard waste, but for your convenience, you can now add your food waste to it. Minimize odors by making sure to drain excess liquids before putting your food waste into the kitchen pail, or whatever you choose to collect food waste in. You may find it helpful to store food scraps inside the fridge or freezer until collection day. Wash your kitchen pail with soapy water, or place it in the dishwasher. To minimize odor with your outside organics cart, put in yard waste first, then food waste on top, to help keep the bottom of the cart clean. You can also wash it by spraying it down with the hose on your lawn. In general, try to reduce food waste by only buying what you need, creating new meals from leftovers, and storing your food correctly. If you have excess shelf-stable food and would like to donate to a local food pantry, please visit the city's website for locations in the area. What happens to all this organic material after it gets collected? Your organic waste gets taken to an anaerobic digestion facility where it gets converted into renewable natural gas. This gas is then used as a low-carbon transportation fuel to power the collection vehicles, creating a closed-loop system. Any leftover organic waste after the renewable gas is extracted will be composted and used as a soil amendment for farming. Remember, hazardous waste such as batteries, light bulbs, paint, chemicals, sharps, electronic waste, and other such materials do not belong in any of your containers. You can contact CR&R customer service to pick up your household hazardous waste, or to sign up for organics service, order a new kitchen pail, replace your organics cart, or swap it for a different size. For more information, please check out the city's website. Thank you for doing your part to make the recycling program a success.